I'm an intern at American Hospital Dubai. I heard about this urology bootcamp course from my colleagues in the operating theater, and I spent here yesterday and today, and I had a great opportunity training on rigid and flexible ureteroscopy, PCNL, TURP and laparoscopy skills. I'm very impressed with the quality of training and the expertise of the instructors. All the trainers were very enthusiastic to teach, and we all had more than enough time to try everything and practice. So I highly recommend this course to anyone looking to learn new skills or advance their own techniques in urology. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tariq Abdulhamid. I'm a urology resident at Dubai Health, and I've had the opportunity to join this bootcamp course organized in Emirates Urology Society conference. This was a really great experience and a great opportunity for young trainees like us who had the opportunity to master and learn from some of the best faculty trainers in different procedures like ureteroscopy, endourology and laparoscopic simulation course. I highly recommend to enroll in this course, and we really look forward as young trainees to have similar bootcamp courses in the upcoming conferences as well. Thank you.
Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. معاكم دكتور علي العنزي من الكويت. I'm here today in the Emirates Urology bootcamp. I would like to thank everyone who helped to organize such event. It was really helpful. كل الانستراكتورز كانوا مساعدين جدا. كل الموديولز were very clear. كل الانستراكتورز were very supportive. يعطيكم الف عافيه على المجهود العظيم، واتمنى ان يتكرر بالسنوات القادمه. Thank you so much.
معكم دكتور عبد الرحمن الكندري من الكويت. اليوم احنا موجودين بالامارات يورولوجيكال بوتكامب. شيء كان ممتاز، الحمد لله التنظيم كان ممتاز، العاملين كانوا مساعدين جدا، والحمد لله الكورس كان شيء جميل جدا، ونتمنى انه يتكرر بالمستقبل مع اضافه الروبوتكس اللي ممكن.
Hi, my name is Dr. Sami Karim. I have been participating in the course, the first bootcamp course. It was a nice course, and it was well organized. And I encourage anyone who want to participate in the future course to take it. And I want to thank the Emirates Society of Urology for organizing and putting this course together, and also a special thanks to all the delegates and to everyone for these nice two days. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, this is Maisel Amir. I'm a general surgery resident at the American Hospital. I'm very glad because I attended the first Emirates Urology Society Urology Bootcamp course. I've heard about this course from one of our urology consultants in the hospital, and the course itself, the structure and the instructors were very helpful. I felt that I'm more confident now with my laparoscopic skills as a first-year resident, and I would like to encourage all other urology residents in particular and other surgical residents to join this conference and course next year. Thank you.